Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to delicious and healthy veg wrap recipe. It is perfect for breakfast, lunch or an evening snacks. So let's get started. First, take 1 cup of Sooji in a bowl. Add 1.5 cup of curd, salt to taste, mix it well and 1 cup of water. Mix everything well until get a smooth batter. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Prepare the stuffing. Heat a pan and add 2 teaspoons of butter. Add 1 cup of chopped onions. Fry them. Add 1 cup of carrot. 1 cup of sweet corn. Quarter cup of chopped capsicum. Fry them. Add salt to taste. Saute the vegetables for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half spoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon chaat masala. Mix everything well. Next, add 1 cup of paneer cubes and cook for another 2 minutes. Finally, add 2 cubes of grated cheese. And mix until melted. Sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves and switch off the flame. Now grind the rested Sooji batter until smooth. Heat a non-stick pan and lightly grease it with oil. Pour a ladle of batter onto the pan and spread it into a thin layer. Cook until the bottom turns golden brown. Place the prepared stuffing in the center. Fold, fold both sides to make a wrap and secure it with a toothpick if needed. Grease the pan with a little more oil and toast the wrap on both sides until become golden and crispy. That's it. Our delicious veg wrap is ready to serve. Enjoy with tomato ketchup or your favorite dip. If you like this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy recipes. Thank you for watching.